Hello Pisces, this is your quick oracle reading. Kung bago ka, please subscribe, like, and share. At kung natagpuan mo tong video na to, baka para sa itong message na to. Your current card or oracle card is number 21, Field of Dreams. You know what? Dreaming is good. But, andun next na, huwag ka magstay doon. Yes, andoon na meron ka mga pangarap, meron ka inaasam. Pero what are your action plans? Nagtanong ka na ba sa universe, ano yung gagawin mo next step? What are the resources that you have para makatulong to make sure na yung dreams mo to is magmamaterialize? You already done half of it. Nagawa mo na. Now, this time, perform mo yung natitirang process. And that is the planning, following the steps of the universe, and doing kung ano yung pinapagawa sa'yo. So, you can reach and manifest your field of dreams. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings sa'yo. For guidance purposes, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.